A man slaughtered a big cow, lit the grill, and said to his daughter, "Daughter, call our loved ones and neighbors to eat with us. Let us feast." His daughter took to the street and started shouting, "Please help us put out a fire at my dad's house." After a few moments, a small group of people came out, and the rest acted like they didn't hear the cries for help. Those who came ate and drank until swollen. The stunned father turned to his daughter and said to her, "I don't know any of the people who came. I have never seen them before. Where are our loved ones, family, and colleagues?" The daughter said, "These people came out of their homes. Help us put out a fire in our house, not for the party. These are the ones who deserve our generosity and hospitality."
Moral: those who won't help you during your struggle shouldn't eat with you at your victory party.